We got this 2007 Chevy Silverado 1500 pickup truck, 2-wheel drive. We changing the transmission motor mount. We got the jack. Our deep socket we're gonna need. Here. We got the motor mount, transmission mount. Not the motor mount, transmission mount, as you can see. That's what we're gonna be replacing. And these two holes right here for the two screws is a 15 millimeter. So if you ever need and you just get your 15 millimeter, a jack, a wood piece, so you can track the transmission up, ratchet, and the socket. That's pretty much it. Let me show you what we gonna change. If you can see here, we're gonna change that right there. That's the motor mount. We're gonna take off that part to get it off, which is not cool. I wish they would have done that. I did. Made my job harder. Oh, we got one loose. It's a tight spot there. We got one loose. It's a tight spot. Oh, this shit out the way. What the hell is this? Oh, my bad. My camera fell. But as y'all see, I got it halfway out. Gotta do a little bit more. I'll check back in with you. As you can see, that's the one we got out. Then we got this one already loosened most of the way. So that's loosened most of the way. And this one's entirely out. Now we're gonna work on getting in here and taking care of that. Okay, now we gotta figure out what socket goes in there. So I'm gonna start off with 5/8. See what this 5/8 deep socket will fit. So y'all go along with me. I need here, but we're gonna make it work. Okay. We're feeling around in the dark now. Now we're feeling around in the dark. There we go. There we go. We on it. Okay. We on it now. And I'll screw it the rest of the way with our hands. I think we can. Alright. We got the nut out there. Hopefully y'all can see that. We got the nut out. So now, all we gotta do now is jack it up a little bit and release the transmission mount. You might be asking yourself why I'm using a piece of wood. I'm using that piece of wood so I don't dent the transmission fluid pan. So I'm gonna use a wood thing, because probably if I was to use it just without, it might dent it and puncture it. That's the last thing I need. I don't want to be spending no extra money. So that's why I'm using a 3/4 inch plywood. Let's see what this is doing for. Is it lifting up a little bit? Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it and see. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're lifting up. For sure. Oh yeah. See that? You also make sure none of your lines ain't got too much tension on them, because you don't want your lines to break or pop or snap. I could have took this off, but I see it's a little loose. It ain't too tight. Real smoke there, as you can see. A little bit more. We might be able to get it out. A couple more cranks. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, maybe that might be it. Let's check it out. Let's see, can we take it up from there? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see, can we take it out from right here? Hopefully we can. This should be coming out. I don't see what's holding it in. Because this should be out. That should be out. I'm mistaken. Yeah, that's out of it. Alright, we got the other bolt out, as y'all can see. Hopefully you can see that. So now, let's see what it just lifted out. Whoa. Whoa, y'all see that? Y'all see that motor mount? As y'all can see, this motor mount was tore to shreds. Yeah, this is pretty much no good. As you can see, it's all messed up. It's all broken in here. So now that's the old one, and that's the old one. Here goes the new one that we're about to put on that thing. So hopefully that'll do it. I don't want to jack them up too high. Maybe the hose will line up a little bit better, because the hose wasn't lining up too proper. So I don't think that was it. I think this is it. Yeah, I think that's it. Yep, that's it. Yep, that's it. So now we're gonna take the two bolts and try to get them started. Tighten it up most of the way, but not too tight, so that way I can still have a little play with it, a little play in it. In case I gotta adjust it when it go down. You know what I'm saying? So, something like that would be cool. Oh yeah, that's mostly already tightened down, so I really won't have to do too much with that. That's mostly already there. Let's check up on that, make sure that's still in the center. The reason why I keep checking here, make sure it's still in the center. We want to make sure it doesn't move too much. I don't let that move too much. It's a little bit, but not too much. All right, I'm gonna get this nut started on the inside too, so everything will be started, and we can just tighten it up, button it up, and wrap this video up. Yeah. All right, let me let this jack down slowly. Let this jack down. Let the jack down slowly. Alright, it's all buttoned up. She all buttoned up. You can see her now. She tight. All the way in there. New motor. New transmission mount. Gotta stop saying motor mount. New transmission mount. Correct myself. Up in there. It's done better. Look much better. Know it's gonna ride much better. This your boy VA Behavior checking out with another video. This is a 2007 Chevy Silverado 1500 two-wheel drive transmission mount.